Hey guys, how are you all? MI has officially confirmed that it is going to launch the third series of MI series, that is MI A3 and MI A3 Lite. Now the renders have been leaked online and the official specification is also available because MI A3 and MI A3 is a rebranded version of the smartphones that are recently launched in China, that is Xiaomi CC9 and Xiaomi CC9e. The official renders and specs show that MI-A3 will come in three color variants, that is black, blue and white. Since this is the same device as the CC9, we don't need to go over the design again, but it is important to mention that it is nice to have the audio jack written following its removal in the MI-A2. There is also a new Android One logo at the bottom left of the phone. According to the WinFuture, a Chinese website, the source of the images and leaked specs, the MI-A3 will come with a 6-inch of Super AMOLED dot drop display with a fingerprint scanner underneath. The selfie camera placed in the notch will be of 32 MP. On the back, the phone has three cameras, that is a 48 MP primary camera with an aperture of f1.79, which is a primary sensor, and there is an 8 MP of ultra wide angle camera, and there is a 2 MP of depth sensor. This triple rear camera module is best in the segment. Coming to the processor, the MI-A3 differs from CC9 as the Chinese model is powered by Snapdragon 710 instead of Snapdragon 710. MI-A3 will be powered by Snapdragon 665, which is a recently launched powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. MI-A3 will come with a 4GB variant and an 6GB variant. The 4GB variant will have an 64GB internal storage and an 6GB variant will have 128GB internal storage. Coming to its battery capacity, this phone will have an 4000 mAh of battery and there is a support for fast charging too with the help of the Type-C port. It will run Android 9 Pie out of the box. The phone is scheduled to launch soon in India and other countries like Germany, UK and US also. So you will be surprised with its aggressive pricing. Yes, this phone will only cost you around $200 in the international market and only 13 to 14,000 Indian rupees. So let us wait and watch what MI-A3 will be packed with and how it will be. This is all about MI-A3. Hope you like the video. Please comment in the comment section what you feel about MI-A3. Please do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.